up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is gonna be another episode on detailing. My house is freaking packed. I got the BMW E92, I believe, convertible in the 335, and in front of me now, which is this, is the Nissan Juke. And this car is an imported recon, plenty of scratches, plenty of paint damage, a little bit of oxidation, a little bit of haziness on the paint, but it's not something that we cannot fix. Well, today the game plan for the car is to decontaminate everything, clean as much as stains as possible, and get the paint polish restored. I mean, close to a sole-free condition if I can, and if the paint is within that recoverable state. But that is the game plan for today. There won't be any coating on the paint for this car because the owner just wanted me to restore the paint. So let me just get started. Yo guys, so after almost a 18-hour job, I finally completed the Juke and it's gotten delivered to my client. So yes, that's the end of the vlog for the Juke details. So like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys soon.